Waking up with a bloated stomach and low energy can be a real struggle, can't it? You try to make healthy choices, but somehow that sluggish feeling just follows you throughout the day. But what if I told you there's a simple way to break free from that cycle? It all starts with the gelatin trick, a daily ritual that's been a game changer for so many people. At its core, the gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of three simple ingredients: gelatin, lemon juice, and water. By combining these three ingredients in just the right way, you can start to notice a real shift in how you feel. My friend, I've seen it work wonders. The gelatin trick can help you wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized without that heavy, weighed-down feeling. As you make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you might find that you're able to tackle your day with more energy and clarity. To learn more about how to get started with the gelatin trick, be sure to check out the link in my description, where I've got a handy guide waiting for you. And if you have any questions, jump into the comments. I've pinned a special note with some extra tips to help you get the most out of the gelatin trick.